So in this video, I'll show you how to run Odysseus on Windows 11 or Windows 10 from start to finish. So before we begin, you need to have Python installed on your system, since Odysseus is built with Python and requires it to run. So if you don't have Python, I'll leave a link in the description below to learn how to download and install it on your machine. So next, we'll install Git. So Git allows you to clone and download the Odysseus source code directly from GitHub to your local machine. So once Git is ready, we'll head over to Odysseus GitHub repository, clone the project, and complete the remaining setup steps needed to launch the application. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Odysseus running successfully on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. So let's get started. So first, let's confirm my Python version. So I'll type cmd, so search, open. So here just type Python space -- version and press enter. So you need to have a version that is above 3.14.5 for Odysseus to work. So next, come to the search bar and type git. So press enter. So from here, click Git. So Git is a tool that allows us to clone and download the code directly from GitHub to our local machines. So Git, click install for Windows. So from here, since we are downloading for Windows, click Git for Windows. Wait for the exe file to get downloaded. So it's done. Right click and click open to begin the setup. So click yes. So from here, click next. So setup destination. So click next. So you can add a desktop icon. Click next. Click next. So here we have choosing the default editor. So I'll select Visual Studio Code and click next. 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 Click next. 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 Then click install. So once the Git is set, we'll head over to the Odysseus GitHub repository, clone the project, and follow the remaining setup to get everything running properly. So we'll have to wait for it to get installed. So Git is complete. So you can click finish. So from here, back to your browser and search Odysseus PewDiePie GitHub. Press enter. So from here, click PewDiePie Odysseus self-test for GitHub. So scroll down. So here we have all the code needed for installation. So we have, if you are for Docker, so this one is the code for you, but you are downloading for Windows. So here it is, native Windows. So from here, select a folder where you want Odysseus to get installed. So back to your file manager. So this PC and users Edwin. So where you want your folder to get installed, so click here and just type cmd, press enter. So first, let's minimize. Come to the first line of code, copy it, back to your command prompt. So right click and press enter. So it's cloning into our local machine. So next, copy cd Odysseus. So to open the folder, can right click and press OK. So our folder is open. So when you can come back to the place where you have pasted Odysseus install, you can see our folder for Odysseus. So from there, come and copy the last line of code. Copy back to the command prompt. Right click and press enter. So it's checking for Python. You can as well see my version 3.14.5, as well as creating a virtual environment. So give it time. So it's installing dependencies. So it's running. So this is setup. So it has created directories, environment. So from here you have to set your username. So I'll set mine at Jenga. Press enter. So password. So it's currently invisible, but I've typed mine. So press enter. So confirm the password and press enter. So it's logging in and it's starting at the local host 7000. So I'll just open this address. So I'll follow it. Or you can just simply come to the browser. Here, just type localhost 7000 and press enter. So here you can see my username, Jenga, and my password. I'll type my password. And click sign in. And you have successfully installed Odysseus on our local machine. So from here, you can change your theme. So click theme and select the theme that you want. So you can go for midnight. And that's it. So that's how basically to install Odysseus on your local machine. Thanks for watching.